Hello students, friends. This is Gangadhar from Maths Ganga, and now in this mathematics session I am going to handle the remaining questions from JEE Main 2020 September 2nd morning shift mathematics questions. Okay. In first part I discussed 7 questions. Okay. And in this part I am going to discuss the remaining questions. And this is a memory based paper, and these questions are collected from the students. Okay. Maybe a little bit different from the original paper, right? Yeah. See, now I have 3 questions on the board. You just look there, 10th one and 9th one, whereas the 8th one. See, all these questions are very simple. You just observe it. Okay. See, easily we will answer all these questions. First of all, the 8th one. 3x plus 4y is equals to k is a tangent for the circle x square plus y square minus 2x, okay, minus 4y plus 4 is equals to 0. Then we need to find the number of integral values of k. See, usually since this line is a tangent for the circle, see, for the circle easily we will calculate the center and radius. Okay, we know the way of calculating center and radius for the circle, and usually the people will do, since this is a tangent for the circle, if we have a circle and if this is a tangent, usually the people will do the distance from center to the line is equal to the radius, and then we will find and we will get the values of k. From there we will decide the number of possible integral values of k. See, the question is not asking you to find the values of k. The question is just asking you to find the number of integral values of k. Since it is about finding the number of integral values, no need to do anything. As the problem is saying, since this is a line which is tangent for this circle, see, for sure, if this is a line tangent for the circle, for sure there is another tangent which is parallel to this line. Okay, for a circle with a particular given slope, for sure there exist 2 tangents. So from that idea, see, there exist 2 lines which acts like tangents for this circle of the form 3x plus 4y is equals to k. So you will get 2 values of k. So without doing anything, just by conceptual ideas, easily you will answer that the number of possible integral values of k as 2. So your answer for this problem is 2. This is the 8th problem, okay, of our discussion, right? 7 problems are there in the previous part. You just go through that, okay. You will get it from our Maths Ganga. And now, see the 9th question. The question is asking you to find the contrapositive of a statement. See, if I reach the station on time, then I will get the train. If I reach the station on time, then I will get the train. See, I need to calculate the contrapositive for this statement. See, I think we are all familiar with the converse, inverse, contrapositive. If I have a statement P implies Q, then I need to identify contrapositive. Contrapositive of the given statement is negation Q implies negation P. So, if I reach the station on time, this is P part, then I will get the train is Q part of the question. Then you need to choose the option which gives you that negation Q implies negation P. Negation Q means opposite action for this Q implies opposite action for this P. So what is the opposite action? I don't get the train. I will get the train is Q. Then negation of Q is I don't get the train. Okay, or I won't get the train. I won't get the train. Then if I don't reach the station on time. See, if I don't get the train, then I don't reach the station on time. Okay, first of all you need to write the negation of Q, then you need to indicate the negation of P. You need to choose the option among the given 4 which is corresponding to this negation Q implies negation P. I don't get the train. If I don't get the train, then I won't reach the station on time. Okay, that is negation Q implies negation P. Okay, because of the space and because of the time, just I am not mentioning the options here. Okay, actually you will have options in the paper, so easily you will select the correct option, right? So that's the 9th problem. Then coming to the 10th one, this is what we need to solve now. See, there are 3 terms in geometric progression whose sum is S and the product is 27. Then we need to find the range of S. See, the question is about 3 terms in the geometric progression. If we have any 3 terms in the geometric progression, we are very familiar. We will consider those 3 terms as A by R, A, AR as 3 terms of the geometric progression. Since the product is given as 27, the product of these three terms is a cube. A cube is 27. Okay, since the product is given as 27, a cube is 27 and clearly a is equals to 3. Since a is equals to 3, what are the terms? 3 by r, 3 and 3r. We need to think about the sum. Okay, sum is indicated as s and we need to find the range for s. S is the sum of the terms. Since a value is 3, that s is 3 by r plus 3 plus 3r. To find the range of this is equals to 3 plus 3 of 1 by r plus r. Right. So now we need to find the range of s. To find the range of s, you need to think about the range of this 1 by r plus r. We are very familiar with this. The range of 1 by r plus r is either greater than or equals to 2 or less than or equals to 2. From there you need to construct the range of s. Okay. Since we know 1 by r plus r is less than or equals to minus 2 or 1 by r plus r is greater than or equals to 2. You just multiply with 3 both sides and then you need to add with 3 both sides. So from there it is clear that 3 plus 3 times of 1 by r plus r is less than or equals to. First multiply with 3, minus 6 and then add 3. So minus 3. Or here 3 plus 3 times of 1 by r plus r. First multiply with 3. 3 into 2 is 6 and then add 3, 9. So greater than or equals to 9. So what is this 3 plus 3 times of 1 by r plus r is simply nothing but s. So this is simply nothing but s. So our s is either greater than or equals to 9 or either less than or equals to minus 3. From this we conclude that the range of s is simply nothing but minus infinity to minus 3 union 9 to infinity. And this is a question from the progression sequences in JEE Mains September morning shift paper. Have a look. And now I have 3 more questions on the board from the JEE Main 2020 September 2nd morning shift paper. Okay, and as I mentioned you, this is memory based paper, and because of the space and because of the time, I am not mentioning the options on the board. Okay, and now I have 3 questions and all these questions are very simple. Just have a look. 15th problem, right? See, already I discussed the remaining problems in the part 1 and in this part, and now 15th one. See, now the question is from the limits. Just have a look. Limit x tends to 1, x plus x square plus x cube plus and so on plus x power n. Okay, this part minus n divided by x minus 1 is equals to 820. Then we need to find the value of n. See, this is very familiar question. Usually you will get this question in each and every material in the book, and I think everyone know about this question to solve. Just look at the problem. If you replace x with 1, if you replace x with 1, easily you will get 0 in the numerator and 0 in the denominator. Is it right? If you replace x with 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, everything is 1. 1 plus 1 for n times is n. N minus n is 0 and this is 1 minus 1, it is 0. 0 by 0. 0 by 0 not exist in mathematics and it is an indeterminate form. Since it is an indeterminate form, we need to go with the L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule in the sense, so according to the L'Hospital rule, this is equivalent with the limit x tends to 1, the derivative of the numerator divided by the derivative of the denominator. So what is the derivative of the numerator? See, the derivative of x is 1, derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of x cube is 3x square. Like that, if you continue, derivative of x power n is n x power n minus 1. Right, very good. And what you say about the derivative of n? Which constant, which is 0, so leave it. And in the denominator, derivative of x is 1, okay. And this constant derivative is 0. So, that divided by 1. So, according to the L'Hospital rule, limit of this particular expression is nothing but limit of this. So, now replace 1. If you replace 1, what will happen? See, 1, okay, 2 into 1 is 2, 3 into 1 square is 3, like that this is n into 1 power n minus 1. So, we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus and so on plus n. So, adding first n natural numbers. And we are familiar with this sum of first n natural numbers, which is n into n plus 1 by 2. And this n into n plus 1 by 2 is given as 820. If you solve, you will get your value of n as 40, and that is your option. Okay, there ends this 15th problem, right? And now you just look at the 14th one. Now the 14th question is from 3-dimensional geometry. The problem is about finding the equation of a plane. So to find the equation of the plane, some data is given. Okay, what is the data? See, there we need to find the equation of the plane, and that plane is parallel to this particular line, and there are 2 points on the plane. See, if 2 points are there on the plane and if a line is there parallel to that plane, see what is the line first. If you just try to express this line in the symmetric form, this is the line in unsymmetric form. If you express this line in the symmetric form, it will become like this: 2x is equals to 3y, so x by 3 is equals to y by 2, and since it is z minus 1, so z is equals to 1, we write it like z minus 1 by 0. So for this unsymmetric form, this is the symmetric form, so this is the line. Since this is the line, 3 to 0 are the drs of the line, and that's so 3 to 0 are the drs of the line. So these drs are just perpendicular to the drs of the normal of the plane. Okay, see, for the plane there is a normal, and the drs of that normal are perpendicular to these drs as well as perpendicular to the drs of PQ. And with this complete analysis, equation of the plane is simply, I think you all know, since there are 2 points, you just choose any one. For suppose 2 to 1, okay, x minus 2, y minus 2, z minus 1. Since the point is 2 to 1, determinant of x minus 2, y minus 2, z minus 1. And then what are the drs of this PQ? Drs of PQ means 2 minus 2, which is 0, 1 minus 2, minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. And then drs of the line. What are the drs of the line? 3 to 0. 3 to 0. If you equalize this determinant to 0, then it directly gives us the equation of the plane. We need to solve it. How to solve it? Okay, because of the space, I will erase this and then I will solve. Okay, so how to solve this? Actually, x minus 2 into determinant of these 4, 0 minus 2, so that is minus 2, minus of y minus 2 into, okay, y minus 2 into 0 minus 3, okay, plus z minus 1 into determinant of these 4, 0 minus of minus 3 is plus 3 is equals to 0. If you simplify it, you will get the equation of the plane, and that is your required answer. So this is the 14th problem. And then coming to the 13th problem, you just have a look. The problem is again from the complex numbers. We need to find out the simplified value for this 1 plus sine 2 pi by 9 plus I cos 2 pi by 9 divided by 1 plus sine 2 pi by 9 minus I cos 2 pi by 9 to the power 3. This is also a very familiar problem. Okay, see, what is 2 pi by 9? We know that pi is 180 degrees. 180 by 9 is 20. 20 into 2 is 40. So this is 1 plus sine 40 degrees plus I cos 40 degrees divided by 1 plus sine 40 minus I cos 40, okay, whole to the power 3. I need to find its simplified value. So sine 40 is simply equals to cos 50. What to say? Because 40 plus 50 is 90, they are complementary angles, and so sine 40 you just replace with cos 50. Here again replace sine 40 with cos 50. Here replace cos 40 with sine 50, and here replace cos 40 with sine 50. Right, very good. And further, for the further simplification, 1 plus cos 50. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. That's why you just write it like 2 cos square 25. Plus, this is I sin 50, right? I into 2 sin 25 into cos 25. Divided by, in the denominator, 1 plus cos 50 is 2 cos square 25. Okay, minus I into 2 sin 25 cos 25. Okay, this total thing to the power 3 we need to simplify. So just have a look. 2 cos 25 is a common thing. Just common out 2 cos 25 from the numerator and common out 2 cos 25 from the denominator, get cancel it. And then you left with what? Here, if you common out 2 cos 25, I am writing again, okay? 2 cos 25 of cos 25 plus I sin 25 divided by 2 cos 25 of cos 25 minus I sin 25. Whole to the power 3 is already there. So, okay, you just cancel out this 2 cos 25. 2 cos 25, 2 cos 25. This cos 25 plus I sin 25 is simply nothing but cis 25. And this is simply nothing but cis of minus 25. Cis alpha by cis beta is cis of alpha minus beta. From there you will have it as cis 50. 25 minus of minus 25. Cis 50 to the power 3. Okay, this 50, how I have this 50 actually? Okay, if you have any confusion, have a look. This is cis of 25 minus of minus plus 25. Cis 50 to the power 3. Cis 50 to the power 3 is nothing but we need to multiply these two, cis of 150. And now cis of 150 is simply nothing but cos 150 plus I sin 150. And what to say about cos 150? Cos 150 is cos of 180 minus 30 minus cos 30, which is minus root 3 by 2, plus I into sin 150 is sin of 180 minus 30, and that is sin 30, which is 1 by 2. At the end, your answer for the problem is minus root 3 by 2 plus I into 1 by 2. So this is also a frequently faced question only. Okay. So all these problems are well known, but some problems are bit lengthy. Okay. So these are the questions from the September JEE Main 2020, and I will come in the next part with the remaining questions. Okay. So do like the video, share for your friends, and then leave your comments in the comment box. Thank you.